So guys, camera animation is very important in presentation videos. I always did it in After Effects. Of course, it took me a lot of time, but I found an easy way to it. I will use FocuSee for this. First, I will make in After Effects. Then I will do the sound with FocuSee. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, I will try this on After Effects. We have sample video like this. Website, and let's drag and drop into composition here, and for 3D perspective let's click toggle switch modes and click this icon for turn on 3D layer. Now let's press R. We can see X, Y and Z rotation, and let's turn off audio and let's see timing. Okay, let's go to edit and split layer, delete and move to left. Okay, and here let's edit, split layer and delete. So we have 3 seconds website presentation. And now let's create camera tool, right click, new and camera. I will use presets 50mm, 2-node camera and okay. So choose this video, let's press P and move to back. Okay, for control camera, let's choose this camera, right click, go to camera and create orbit null. And for move the anchor point to center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point to center here, and collization tool. And choose this null, let's press P, we can control null like this. And in this time go to first second, let's create new passing keyframe and go to here and zoom to like this. Okay, choose keyframes and make it easy. Right click, keyframe ascend and easy, or click F9. And let's hold shift, press R, open rotation. And I will use X or Y rotation like this. But for better way, I will change rotation of video here. Let's see. Zoom to like this and choose video, press R and create Y rotation. And we can change rotation like this and create X rotation and Z rotation. Let's go to here and change rotation like this and X rotation, also Z. Okay, so choose keyframes and make it easy. And also choose camera, go to graph editor and choose first keyframe and make it easy. Let's see. Okay. Back to keyframes, and in this time let's choose this video, move to right. For static area, let's open before video. Okay, and choose these keyframes. Let's move to left. Let's choose keyframes, move to here. Okay, that's good. And let's choose work area for 3 seconds. Also can choose less keyframes, move to here for more slowly and preview animation. Okay, so choose this video and click this icon for add motion blur. Also enable here, let's see. Okay, and let's close settings and create new background layer with solid. Add name background, okay. Move to behind of layers. And go to effects presets, search effect fill, choose fill, use for background, and choose color. Let's choose dark blue, or let's choose white. And effects presets, search effect drop shadow, use drop shadow for this video, and change shadow like this, and softness. Let's see. Okay, that's all. Let's preview animation. And our video is ready. In this time, let's switch to FocuSee and try it for create 3D website presentation. Let's do it. So FocuSee is here, and let me show some tools here. We can choose here Windows, full screen, custom window, device, and device tools here. Let's turn off for now microphone and speakers. and also teleprompter here. And FocuSee is a perfect choice for creators, educators, and software reviewers. So let's choose full screen. Okay, now record is going, and let's go to down and read this text also. Okay, let's click here and here, also read this text and choose these settings and quality, branding, and let's click here for start. Okay, also we can choose these tools. Okay, so let's stop recording. Okay, we have edit area, and let's click play. Okay, first 3D zoom and follow cursor. That's perfect. Nice. And again, reading. Click AI Smart Cut and sections. Okay. Again, zoom out. And for click. Okay, that's good. So I want to show something interesting here. Let's first choose this 3D effect, and we have settings here. This is auto, and we can choose manually, and we can choose website style like this. We can choose perspectives. My favorite style, this and this perspective. This is also good, and let's see. Okay, that's good. And let's choose this 3D feature and go to manual. Change perspectives. Okay, that's also perfect. And we can use custom settings here. For example, we can change position, x-axis like this, and y-axis. Also manual focus, we can follow here like this. We can choose follow area, and zoom level, we can change zoom level. Also we have background here. Let's see. This is perfect feature. We can create full website presentation. Let's choose like this. Okay, that's good. I like this style. And let's change zoom level. Also we can switch to 2D zooms like this. But today we will focus 3D motion. Okay, so on FocuSee we have a huge features. For example, we have video enhancement and cursor styles. We can choose styles here, and animations. We can choose animations here, and camera effects. Now I have not camera on this PC. And audio control. We can control audio here, and shortcut features, audio features, and watermark. We can add logo or watermark here, and smart cut. We can use this smart cut with AI power. Also language, we can choose languages here, and AI avatar. We can choose avatar for education or gamer videos, and we have some avatars here. Let's click view all. We can choose avatars. Okay, that's all. And let me show you official website. If you have to try FocuSee, I will recommend you official website. Before trying, you can check all features, news, and updates on website. On this website, we can see all features, news, updates, and also tutorials with helps. I will add all links on the description below. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good day. Good luck.